Hey guys, I wanted to shoot this little video to show you guys how you could get an image to be multiple colors once you have already saved it into your Design Space app. Again, I'm using an Android phone, so I don't know how different the apps are between Android and Apple devices. I'm already in the app and I'm going to go to new project. From here, I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to select upload images. And for this purpose, I'm going to just select the image that I used for my last video. I'm going to hit insert and there it is. It pops up. So once you have it on your canvas, you want to make it the size and the shape that you want by unlocking it and making it big, longer, shorter, thinner, smaller. And once you have it that size, that is where you will want to decide how many colors you're going to make your image. Now for this image, I think I'm just going to make it 3 colors just to try to keep it as simple as possible and yet still give you an idea of what you're doing. So I want to keep my feather black and I'm going to have the birds be 2 different colors. So I'm going to have this image be 3 different colors, so I need it 3 different times. I'm going to come over here to actions and I am just going to, oops, excuse me, I scrolled the wrong one. Scroll to duplicate and I'm going to duplicate it 2 times. Now once I have my images, I need to make them the colors that I want. So I'm going to keep my first image black because I want my feather black. My second image, I'm going to make it, I don't know, blue. So we'll come over here to edit, and right here where there's a black dot that says cut, that is the color that you are going to cut the image that is selected. So I want to change the color of this image, so I'm going to click that black dot and my colors pop up, and I said I was going to do it blue. So there, that is blue. Now for my third image, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to come over here to the blue dot. Oops, excuse me, make sure the right image is selected. I'm going to come over here to the black dot and highlight it and change my colors again. Now this time I want it to be purple. So once I have highlighted it, I'm going to select it and that changes my image purple. Now I have 3 different images that are the same but different colors. Excuse me. I might be tripping over my words a little bit as we get further along the video because I am not an expert and it's a little harder to explain in words, actual words. So anyways, once I have my 3 images, the colors that I want them, we are going to contour them. That is, I believe the correct terminology is we're going to contour them. I didn't have a contour button on my phone, so I had to figure it out. Differently. I'm going to select this black image first. And let's just move these out of the way so we could just focus on the black one. And then once I see my black image, and it's selected. I believe it's under edit. All the way over, nope, again, wrong. It's under actions, is all the way at the end is a hide button. Now, you want to click that button and that will show you the image that you have selected. Once you have that image, that is where you can choose to hide what you want to hide. Now, for the purpose of this this image, I said I wanted to keep the feather black, so I want to hide all the birds. Now you can watch the birds will disappear as I click on them. Boom. When I actually click on them. And they just start to disappear. Bye bye birdies. And now I just have my black feather. So I'm going to do the same thing pretty much to the other ones. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select this. And now that I have my blue one selected, I'm going to hit hide. And I want to keep my bottom feathers, my bottom birds blue. So I'm going to hide all the top birds. And I'm going to hide this one, and you see them disappear as I tap them. And I'm going to keep the bottom ones blue. Now when it comes to the feather, you're just going to do the same thing. Oh, excuse me. You're going to hide the feather. You're just going to click on it. But notice how that line is still there. I personally like to keep the line just because later on it will help me line things up. And then I can always weed it out later. So now I have my bluebirds. And I'm going to do the same thing to my purple image. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to select hide. And I'm going to hide my feather. And I'm going to keep my top birds purple. So I'm going to hide the bottom birds. And there we go. Now I have 3 images that can be now put together. Now again, I have these lines right here for the other feather, so when it comes time to make these, you can just line those purple and blue feathers right up with that line right there and then just weed it out. I hope what I said makes sense and this video helps. If you have any questions, please ask me. Hopefully I'll have the answer. That's it. Thank you.